The pre-market we sold off, opened really weak. There was really great short opportunity on a 1 minute. The rising devil strategy. When you come up, there's a really good short opportunity to getting short here. I didn't short that. I don't have this rising devil strategy.
I would like to invite you to join me for a live trading workshop.
Come join us November 2nd in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Be part of our pre-market show to see how we find stocks in play.
Hopefully we'll have a strong catalyst to give us a good short on Beyond the Meat.
Experience in-person mentorship while you trade.
Participate in topics from some of your favorite mods, like
learn how to find powerful trade setups.
Achieve your trading goals by developing a trade book.
Need to pivot with the current market conditions? Come learn VPA with me.
Bear market, bull market, I've got a trade for that.
We know you have options.
But come join us, diddly doodly.
I'm really looking forward to see you and trade next to you.
And all of us. See you in Florida. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Andrew is here. We're going to do the recap. So the stock in play today was Meta. Zuckerberg is spending a lot of money, a lot of free cash flow on Metaverse. And he has to, because he has a lot of competition on all social media. As you see, Facebook is slowly dying down, and TikTok is really competing with Instagram. There's so many messenger apps that are coming, so he has to really revolutionize. So the Meta earnings came in, stock gap down 20%, continued going down in the pre-market today, and again, it's Meta, it's Zuckerberg, it's really a great company. So there's a lot of buying pressure. You were expecting that there could be a really bounce as well on it. So, but the stock opened at the pre-market, in the pre-market we sold off, opened really weak. There was really great short opportunity on a 1 minute, the rising devil strategy. When you come up, there's a really good short opportunity to getting short here. I didn't short that. I don't have this rising devil strategy. It did drop. The 1 minute became an engulfing, and I went short on that, even though it was really extended from the VWAP. But I went short at 97.60, went down a little bit and came back up, and I got a stop down. So that was the loss that I had, and maybe I should have really done this, rising devil strategy, the strategy that Brian is doing. Just pausing this. All right, yeah. So maybe I should really learn this. Rising devil strategy that Brian has here. So it's just at the pop, these stocks that are gapping down significantly, could be really good. The example of that, actually, I think Peter did that trade, and I did take a screenshot on that. Peter, do you have the screenshot on that?
Lost Andrew. Spy just
no, I'm here. I'm here. Sorry. Sorry, Brian.
Okay,
I'm here.
That's okay.
Yeah. So.
No worries.
Peter had this really nice, rising devil on that. I just can't find it anymore, but he had this rising devil. But anyways, so what we had here, so I got a stopped out on the short, and then after it came back up heavily, the 5 minute candle became really bullish, and I decided to take this long for a 1 minute opening range breakup. Even though we were still below the VWAP, I decided to take this long for the break of VWAP. It was a little bit sketchy. Came down, I added more, dropped and came back up, and I was actually now more confident on that it's gonna really hold this VWAP. Came above the VWAP, I added more, and now I have a very heavy position on that. And 5 minute chart, we had this move up all the way up to this moving averages. Again, it became a 5 minute opening range breakup as well, even though the stock was selling up, but really showed some very strong squeeze back up. And again, it's Meta. There's always some, you can expect some buyers, and then we really popped over to 175, 101. I added more again. We dropped to VWAP, hold the VWAP, added more again, and we just squeezed back up until 102.50, and I'm still in there. So I'm still holding and see if we can get to 102.60. So yeah, I'm still here at 99.52. Still have 5,000 shares on it, and see if we can get to 102. So the situation here is really good on that front. So that's it. That's my main trade, and I'm still in Meta, with all of these ads that I had. Brian, how was your trading? I know you did the rising level on Meta. And by the way, this is the rising level that we were talking about. That's Peter's trade.
Yeah, I did basically that trade. That's for right. Keep talking about this trade. I do it regularly. It's my Rising Devil trade popped up at the open, shorted it around the VWAP, and yeah, and then it just covered it on the way back down. So last cover was through 97.50-ish area. Yeah, other than that, the other stock that was really a monster in play today was Shop, and I got into it a little bit late on it. I kind of chased it. I'm not really proud of my execution, but it just took off. So I got in just over 32, and then it went through 33. Pullback. I was going to take it long again on that, but the pullback was just too hard. But you can see how nicely it just bounced right off the VWAP and then just went back up again.
Yeah,
so
Eamon took this short
scalped
here.
it.
Eamon, he posted on
Nice.
Twitter. He got this really nice short reversal, this parabolic reversal. Yeah.
Yeah, that was really nice, and you could see it. It really went parabolic, and it's through that indecision doji right at the very top there, which probably why and Eamon could have taken that there, just as stop just at the high of that doji candle. So anyway, yeah, nice pullback. I really wish I'd taken it long off the VWAP. I just didn't like the way it tried to bounce once and came back again. So unfortunately I didn't hit, but yeah, overall it was an okay day, and I'm still in meta with you. I'm just holding on. Yeah. I'm in around 101. So as long as we stay above there, I'm good.
Amazing day. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm still in meta as well. So I think it's going to continue going up. And again, kind of a pullback is kind of expecting. I have only 5,000 shares left. I doubt that it's going to go drop. It loses the VWAP. I think this one is going to continue going higher because there's some buying pressure on that. And somebody's probably hunting, deal hunting. So that was it. And I had a loss on AMD. So that was the win that I had on Meta. I had this short loss on Meta that I got stopped out. The AMD was another loss that I had. AMD, what was it? The semiconductors were gapping up. NVIDIA and AMD, they were all gapping up significantly at the open. I think the reason for that was because if Meta is going toward metaverse, and then that requires a lot of computing power, and just these semiconductors are really sold off, and they gapped up. So opened very strong, came up, tested the VWAP. That was a really nice 1 minute. The bull flag came up. I thought that it was going to head higher. It didn't. It dropped the VWAP, and I got stopped out. And after that, it's just continued selling off, and that was a loss that I had to accept. That was a fairly big loss right at the open. But overall, we just made it back with some more. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for me. So today's Thursday. Mentorship sessions, guys. 11 John and 8 p.m. Thor. Make sure that you attend those ones. The Florida is sold out now. Thanks for everyone, the 100 traders that sign up. So the room is going to be full. It's going to be amazing next week. So we'll see so many of you. And yeah, that's it. What else do we have? Nothing. If you guys are in social media, add me on LinkedIn or in our social media and just drop me a note. If you're in Twitter, and add the BBT in your bio so I can actually follow you back so you're actually an active member of our community. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, all the best, guys. See you soon.